Installing these Rechargeable light fixtures is super simple, so I'm getting ready to walk through and show you exactly how to do that. First thing, just grab out your hardware packet. So you have your brackets and your screws that come with the packet. You also get drywall anchors if you need them. I think I'm going to be able to hit my stud, so I'm not going to worry about drywall anchors. Basically, how they sit on there is super simple. So here's the back of the light fixture, and here's the bracket. Super simple. You mount this bracket to the wall just like this. The bracket slides right up into the slot of that light fixture, and that's it. That also makes it super easy to recharge when it's time to do so. That's the first thing we're going to do, is mount this bracket to the wall. So you will need a drill or a screwdriver. I've got a drill here. So I have my wall marked out. Now that the bracket's installed, I'm just going to go ahead and grab the light fixture, and you can turn it either direction. I know the listing I saw, most people have them turn this way. I'm actually going to turn mine and set it this way. So you see that mounting that side was super simple. So just do the same thing with the other one. Alright, so both light fixtures installed. So take off this lock nut ring for your globe. Put your globe in place. And snug the globe down. And now do the same thing on the other side. Take off the lock nut. Set the globe in place. So tighten the lock nut. And that's it, both installed. Last thing, grab the remote. Comes with 2 remotes, but one will control both of them together. Bam, there it is. 2 rechargeable wall sconces installed in a few minutes, and they look really nice.